Watch the magic happen. Stuck figuring out your next move? See how vedicastro-io turns ancient Vedic wisdom into clear, personalized guidance. No guesswork required. Can't keep track of your astrological insights? Log into your dashboard where everything stays organized and ready when you need it. Tired of vague answers? Our chat agent delivers personalized guidance to your toughest questions, straight to the point. Hate losing your train of thought? Start fresh or continue previous conversations without missing a beat. Complex life questions bothering you? Get precise, detailed answers in under a minute. No waiting, no confusion. Done with generic horoscopes that could apply to anyone? Our agent runs full multi-layer chart analysis, divisional charts, dashas, transits, yogas, calibrated exactly to your question. Not sure what to ask next? Get intelligent follow-up suggestions that help you dig deeper and uncover what really matters. Overwhelmed by scattered birth chart data? Explore your complete natal chart with interactive visualizations that make planetary positions crystal clear. Curious about a specific chart element but don't know how to phrase it? Use pre-formatted questions to prompt the agent with one click. Worried about relationship compatibility? Discover how your charts align through comprehensive Vedic compatibility analysis. See where you harmonize and where to watch out. Hate jumping between screens? Manage your details, subscription, and credits all from one place. No hassle. Confused about billing? View and manage your subscription through our Stripe integrated pages. Simple, secure, transparent. Running low on credits unexpectedly? Track your usage in real time so you're never caught off guard. Need proof for accounting or refunds? Access your complete billing history and transaction records anytime. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Send us a contact request anytime. We're here to help you get the most out of your experience. Try it out now. No credit card needed. Get 7 free agent credits to test real Vedic insights on your actual questions. See the difference yourself.